This video I'm showing how to adjust your sensor, the radar sensor, from giving an error. Basically, the reason this thing gives an error is not because this plastic piece is Chinese. It's really just the angle of the sensor, and to correct the angle you just have to shim it. A sensor, and I already have one spacer on top. It's really difficult to see, so I'm just gonna add another shim to angle it better. I have one shim. I'm just gonna add another washer in there to angle it to the top a little bit. So you can see now I added 2 washers in here, and this will offset it. So you want to tighten this one first, and then the other one. So all what this is doing is tilting the sensor a little bit up, and that should fix your problem. Radar ready, and radar working. Right, hope this helps. Like and subscribe, and hopefully this fixes your problem.